BabyBus.
Your food is here. Kiki. Miumiu? Where did they go? I'll just put it on the table.
New friend? Shh. You scared away my butterfly! Sorry! Huh? What's that sound?
A beautiful castle, la 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 la. You and me together, la la.
Such a nice voice!
Hi! La 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 la. Let's build a castle, la la
Let's
la
be
la.
friends.
A beautiful castle, la 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 la.
Hi!
You
I'm
and
Cola.
me together, la la la
Hi.
la la la. Oh hi!
You're a really good singer! Can you teach me how to sing?
Of course. Listen carefully. La 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 la. Let's build a castle. La 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 la.
Great!
Now it's your turn.
Okay. Watch me!
It's okay. Try again. Very good. One more time. One more time. Why did you do this?
I'm so sorry! I didn't mean to do that! Hey, new guy! Will you help us? Okay! We will have a running race. Can you be the referee? Okay! Get set! Go! Run, run! Come on, run! Yeah, come on, go! Come on, run! Ouch! Hey, sorry. I didn't mean it. You ruined our race. It's all your fault. Sorry, I burp when I get nervous. Let's go. Wait! Huh? Hi! Hi, guys! I'm Cola! What are you doing?
I like it here. It's all ours.
La 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 la.
Huh?
me.
Stop!
You again?
Stop! Don't come any closer!
Great! Thank you for saving us.
Your cola bomb is so cool!
When I burp, I can help others too. Kids, do you want to be friends with me?
Yahoo! Let's race. Okay. We're gonna catch up with you. Wow, they're great! Yeah, they are really good at skiing. How cool! I wish I could ski like them. Katie, teach me how to ski. I want to be a good skier like them. All right, first you need to learn how to keep your balance, and then... Are you okay?
Ugh, that really hurts. Let's try again. Ouch! Ouch! It's so hard.
Everyone falls down while learning how to ski. You need more practice. Don't give up. Let's try again.
Okay. Yay! I can ski!
Are you okay?
Help me!
Let's go help him. Be
I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. I'm really sorry. Are you all right?
I'm fine, Donnie. Everyone falls down while learning how to ski. That's right. Let's try again slowly. I'm sure you can do it.
But it's too hard for me. I'll never be able to do it.
Cheer up. I'll practice with you.
No thanks. I'll just go build a snowman or something. Huh?
Are you okay?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm learning how to ski.
Huh? You don't know how to ski? I thought that every ice cream is good at skiing.
Everyone falls down while learning how to ski. It's okay to fall down. If I keep practicing, I'll be able to do it. Wow!
Wow!
Did you see that? I did it!
Great! I'll keep trying like you. Hey, Katie! Can you teach me how to ski again?
Of course! Are you ready?
Yes, I'll never give up this time.
Let's learn how to ski. Come on, it's so much fun. Let's learn how to ski. Come on, it's so much fun. Don't be afraid to fail. You can do it. Even if I fail, it's okay. Try again. Ow! Even if I fail, it's okay. Do it again.
Yay!
Even if I fail, it's okay. Don't give up.
Ha!
Don't be afraid to fail. You can do it.
Yay! Watch out! Run! Hey, watch out!
Thank you. It was awesome, Donnie. You saved the ice cream. You did it.
Yeah, and you ski very well.
Really? Yay, I can ski now! Yeah!
Welcome to the best bread competition! We will choose the most delicious bread. And the winner will get the chocolate trophy!
Wow, that looks amazing! I want to take it!
Huh? It won't be easy to bake yummy bread. Be patient and do your best.
I'm gonna bake the yummiest bread!
Now let's start the competition!
Wait! Flour, mixing bowl, milk, yeast, sugar, and butter. And with Katie's recipe, I must be the winner. It looks so hard. Huh?
It won't be easy to bake yummy bread. Be patient and do your best.
I will win the trophy. First, measuring the flour. Oh, too little. Too much. Too little again. Too little or too much. I can't even start. Whatever, let's just do it. Pouring the flour. Some yeast. Some sugar. And butter. And then some milk. What's the next step? Huh?
Mix all the ingredients well.
and keep kneading the dough until it's soft and smooth. I'm really good at mixing. Butter, sugar, milk, and flour. Mix and mix, mix and mix. Time to knead the dough. My hands got stuck. Kneading the dough is so hard. How long should I knead it to be soft and smooth? Whatever. It will be fine. What's the next step, huh? Let the dough rise for 2 hours. If everything's right, it will be double in size. You need to do this for yummier bread. 2 hours? I need to wait for 2 hours? Huh? Oh, I think it's already big enough. Let's just put it in the oven and bake it. In 20 minutes, my yummy bread will be done. Is it done yet? Taking so long. Still not done yet? How much longer should I wait? Aha! I have an idea. Let's turn up the heat. I'm so smart. Huh? Oh! What's wrong? My bread! What's wrong, Donnie? What's that thing on the tray? Wow! Very special black bread. I think it's just burned. This is a bad recipe. Nothing's wrong with my recipe. Did you do everything right? Of course! Measured everything correctly? Maybe. Was the dough soft and smooth? Doubled in size? No. You didn't do anything right with patience. Huh? I messed up. I burned my bread and won't get the trophy. Don't give up, Donnie. You still have time to bake another one. Really? Can I do it? Sure. Be patient and try it again, step by step. Okay. I will do my best. Let's start again. Okay. Butter, sugar, milk, and flour. Mix and mix. Please be patient. Yummy bread, yummy bread. Let's bake. Leave the dough, let it rise. Wait and wait. Please be patient. Yummy bread, yummy bread. Let's bake. Let's put it in the oven. Okay.
other winner of this competition is... Donnie!
Huh? Me? Really?
Yes, your bread is really yummy too. Congratulations, Donnie!
Thank you, everyone. Now I know how to bake yummy bread. Be patient and do it step by step.
Look how far I can fly my plane!
I can do that too.
Oh.
Watch this. How was it, huh?
Not better than me, though.
You're wrong.
I'm better than you!
I am. Let's try again. I'm first.
No, I'm first!
No, I am.
No, I am!
Ow, that hurts. Huh? I won't play with you.
Huh? I won't either!
You're not my friend anymore.
Well, you're not mine!
Huh?
Oh? Huh? Huh?
Yeah!
Oh.
That looks so much fun.
What's wrong, guys?
Oh?
We're not friends anymore.
No, we're not.
I'm first.
No, I'm first!
Wow, it's a balloon!
Huh?
Help me! Help!
He's in danger. What should I do? I have an idea. Let's pop the balloon.
Ow! Ow! Don't do that! It's hitting me! Ow!
That won't help. You can't pop the balloon with them. Wait.
Oh?
I think this will work.
Oh, no! What if it hurts me?
Then what should we do?
Oh?
Aha!
I can't hold on anymore! Somebody help me!
Oh no! He will fall off! Let's do it together!
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
It's getting lower! Shoot more cream!
No problem. I will try again. Not high enough.
Let's jump together.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, now! Yay! Oh.
Let's do it one more time.
Okay.
We did it! Thank you, guys! Oh, no, help! Help!
Oh no! What should we do? Oh. A paper airplane!
Best friends in the world, we are best friends. Come on, let's work together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Airplane ready to go. Best friends in the world, we are best friends. Come on, let's work together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Airplane, take off.
Jump onto the plane!
Are you okay? I'm fine, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, wasn't I awesome?
And so was I.
I think both of you are awesome.
Oh.